Hello everyone. So let's coding our main character, who is the bird. Okay, we are going to use bird equals new texture, and address is, I guess, yeah, hello. Frame on that. Okay. And we're going to do the same thing. Yeah, bird. And here we're in the tricky part. Our bird is not going to be at 0 to 0. Let's say x, let me show you, x is here, okay? This is the x coordinate and this is the y coordinate, and here the bird x coordinate should be about here, right? It's about third of the screen, I guess, roughly. So let's graphics get width divided by 3, for example, okay? And that same logic, graphics get height divided by 2. This will make, I hope, in here, okay? And our bird's height and width, it's important actually, because there are lots of Android devices and every one has a different shape, different size of screen. So our bird's width and height should be in ratio to the screen, okay? So let's try something. For example, let's say divided by 13, okay? And yeah, I'm just trying, okay? Let's see what we're gonna have. Okay, let's see what's wrong. Oh, this should be PNG, sorry. Let's try again. And here we are. Actually, the bird can be in a little bit left, okay? Let's make this 4. Should be better, I guess. Yeah, I like it. And the other thing is, this is dirty coding, you know. Look at all the gdx.graphics.get-high, blah blah. So let's clean this mess. For example, bird width, bird height, okay? Screen width, screen height. What else? It's good for now. BW with this, okay, is this, okay? Screen width dx.graphics.getWidth, screen height libgdx-graphics.get high. So far so good. And also actually we need to have bx, which is coordinate, and by. Okay, and bx will be that, by will be that. Okay, so far so good. And now let's change this mess. That will be bx, by, b width per high. Look, it's much more cleaner actually. Let's change this to, yeah, it is the same thing, but it is much more cleaner. Let's see if, yeah. So see you on the next lesson.